Living in a rental can be tricky, especially when you can't install shelves or make permanent changes. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Welcome back to Life Tips. This episode is inspired from the comment of @DeathAndCats on Make Space in Tiny Places, Smart Storage for Small Homes and Apartments Life Tips episode that was somehow not that renter-friendly. I hope this would help. Today, I'm sharing smart storage ideas perfect for renters. These hacks are non-permanent, budget-friendly, and guaranteed to make your small space feel bigger. First up, over-the-door organizers. These aren't just for shoes. You can use them for cleaning supplies in the bathroom, snacks in the pantry, or accessories in your bedroom. They're easy to hang and take down when you move. Stackable bins are a renter's best friend. Use them under the bed, in closets, or even in your living room. They're perfect for creating vertical storage without needing tools. Bonus, they're portable and super affordable. Command hooks and strips are lifesavers. Use them to hang hats, bags, or even small baskets for extra storage. And the best part? They won't damage the walls when you remove them. Perfect for renters. If you need storage but can't install shelves, try freestanding units. Look for narrow ones that maximize vertical space while fitting into small corners. Use baskets or boxes to keep everything tidy. Magnetic and tension rod solutions. Tension rods are magical for organizing small spaces. Use one under your sink to hang spray bottles or create a mini closet rod in your room. And don't forget magnetic strips or containers. They're great for storing knives, spices, or even tools on your fridge or metal surfaces. Under furniture storage. Don't forget about the space under your furniture. Flat bins or rolling carts are perfect for storing seasonal clothes, shoes, or extra linens. It's hidden storage that makes your home look clutter-free. Multi-purpose furniture is a game-changer. Ottomans with hidden storage, coffee tables with compartments, or foldable desks with shelves give you extra space without taking up more room. See? You don't need to drill, hammer, or break your lease to have a beautifully organized home. These smart storage ideas are perfect for renters and can move with you wherever life takes you. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy organizing tips. See you next time.